Want to ditch the financial sidelines and finally grab some Bitcoin using your PayPal account? Let's make it happen. First, head over to a crypto exchange that accepts PayPal, like Coinbase. Hit that sign up button and create your account, providing all the necessary details. Next up, identity verification. This is crucial for security and compliance. Be prepared to upload a photo of your ID and maybe even a selfie. Now, link your PayPal account. Navigate to the Payment Methods section and select PayPal. You'll be redirected to PayPal to authorize the connection. Time to buy. Find Bitcoin on the trading interface. Enter the amount you want to purchase, keeping an eye on the current price and potential fees. Speaking of fees, always double-check them before confirming your purchase. Also, be aware of any transaction limits imposed by the exchange or PayPal. Boom! Once the transaction is complete, your Bitcoin will be transferred to your exchange wallet. From there, you can hold it, trade it, or move it to a more secure personal wallet. You just bought Bitcoin with PayPal.